You should send her a picture of that.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Be like, look, I do love dogs. My dog was opening my present. She got it all down pat. She knows what to do. She's like, if I put my paw on it, I'll step on it and I can pull some more.
Yeah. You want help? No, you got. Here, look. Do this. Not the box.
He is the box.
Not the box. Here, look, wrapper.
He don't like that box corner.
Just shoot up the box corner. Got your face all in it.
Here you go, girl. Get it.
That's snappy.
Get this. Yeah.
I never heard that before, but yeah. Joking, I guess.
Yeah, she did it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you get it. Yeah, you get that.
Oh, she's still beating it up.
Alright, and you take it, so that's it.
Oh, she's gonna go to town. She's going.
She's still
Krista, it's out. It's out of the box.
Take it, Andrew, because she's shredding it.
Okay, you're done.
Take all of it around her.